What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, man. Let's get right into this joint, man. What y'all all came to see. We got one of my favorite boxes, bro, as of recent for sure. The Jordan 2 Retro box is a really, really nice box, man. I like this box a lot. This one, second hand to the like flip on because they're doing the Jordan 1. I like the Jordan 2 box, man. You got the Jordan sign on the top, sailed in black all the way around. I like the wings print. The tag on this joint does read Air Jordan 2 Retro, black cement gray and fiery red, size 11, man. Grab these joints from Active Athlete, man. Let's get into these joints and see if y'all feeling them, man. Now here we have the Air Jordan 2 in the black cement colorway. Now right off the rip, man, first look, this is definitely one of my favorite 2s out of everything that's been dropping lately. They've been really trying to push the Jordan 2s, but I think this one works a lot better than a lot of the other ones. But let's check out some of these details and materials. Let's see if you guys like these joints like I do, man. Now starting with the front of the shoe, man, this joint comes laced in a black leather going all the way across the upper of the shoe. Black lace going around the toe cap, black on the toe box as well. Going all the way around the sides of the shoe. Does have like that Python style print right here on the side panel. And has a perforated hose going all the way around the shoe as well. Has some nice black leather going up here across the top of the ankle collar. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, it does have this black plastic heel guard that they always use on Jordan 2s. Plastic here on the gray part. Gray heel tab with the red Nike embroidered in. Getting to the interior of the shoe, man, just the same as the outside with the black smooth leather and the black like snakeskin python looking leather going across the side of the shoe as well. Getting back to the front of the shoe, man, they do have the gray tongue with the red Jumpman Wings logo on the tongue, man. And this is like in like a rubber like insert that they embroidered in, man. I really like the tongue logo on this joint, and it matches the red hit on the back of the shoe. I like the red hits on this joint as well. Now getting to that midsole, man, they did use a sail midsole on these joints, man, not a pure white midsole. And on the outsole, man, they have the gray, red, and sail with the Nike hit and the size 11 tag going across the bottom of the shoe as well. That's one thing that you do see on Jordan 2 that you don't really see on a lot of the other pairs, man. You see the size on the bottom of the shoe. And that's because the Jordan 2 is like really like luxury, Italian inspired. So if you see like a lot of designer shoes, they tend to have the size tag going across the bottom of the shoe as well. You don't really see that on any other Jordan models. Now this shoe does come laced with a gray sock liner, really soft material, a lot of padding here, a lot of ankle support. And the inside insole is a gray insole with the red Nike Air pressed on. I know you can't really see that very well, but it is a gray insole, red Nike Air pressed on, man. And that matches the red hits on the back and the red hit on the tongue, bro. Some nice details on this one. Now this shoe does come factory laced with black laces, and it does have the black eye stays and the black lace holes going all the way up through the top of the shoe, man. Regular black, white, and gray. A little bit of red hits on this joint, man. Nice shoe, nice material. Definitely one of the better Jordan 2s to release as of lately. They kept it simple with this joint. It's not a collab, it's not anything hype, it's not like just going stupid crazy on the resale market. But it's a really decent shoe, man. Black, white, and gray. Can't really go wrong with it. Very neutral, easy to wear, bro. Jordan 2 has like that luxury, like designer-ish looking style, man. A heavier, bulkier shoe for sure. But like with today's trends with the baggy jeans, you definitely can get these joints off, bro. A nice shoe for sure. Let's get into that right shoe and compare the joint to this one. Now checking out that right shoe, just the same as the left, man. It has the smooth black leather on the toe cap and toe box. Going around the sides of the shoe, it has the smooth leather as well with the black python hits here. Black tough leather going across the top of the shoe. Does have your plastic guard going across the front of the side and going all the way across the back of the shoe. This part is plastic as well. Same gray heel tab with the red Nike embroidered in, man. No stitching flaws, anything on there. Really clean embroidery job on the heel tab. Inside of the shoe, man, the same with the black and the gray. Jordan 2s do tend to crease up right here on the toe, even before you wear them, but especially when you wear them, and they do tend to crease. And another thing I like about this shoe, they did the gray outline. It just really matches that tongue, matches the back of the shoe. That sail midsole really pulls this shoe together. I'm glad they didn't use pure white on this one. The sail looks really good. And then the outsole, like I said before, regular Jordan 2 outsole with the gray, red, and sail hits with that Nike going across, man. A really decent shoe. And like I said before, man, probably my favorite hit or detail would probably be this tongue tag. Really nice Air Jordan Wings logo, like a rubber material. Looks really good, man. That red hit. It's not doing too much. They only add a little bit of red to let it pop. And if you want to like cover the top of with your jeans, you can definitely get this off as like an all black or like black, gray, and sail shoe, and you can cover that red up. Definitely a solid shoe, no doubt. Now these joints did release today on September the 23rd, but they didn't release in a lot of places, man. No sneakers, no Foot Lockers, Foot Action, City Gear, Shoe Palace, anything like that. These went only to your neighborhood retailers, like from the looks of it, man. So for Houston, that was Premium Goods, that was Better Generation, maybe Social Status and Mayer got. I'm pretty sure they did. They get everything else, so I'm gonna assume Social Status and Mayer got these joints. But no big retailers, only your local small boutiques and your mom and pops. So if you're looking for these joints, man, you're not really gonna find them in the mall. Check out your local stores, check out your boutiques. A couple of online sites dropped them this morning. So you still may be able to grab these joints, man, but they are not everywhere. They are kind of exclusive, man. They're on the smaller end as far as stock numbers. When I went to Active Athlete this morning, they had maybe one of each size, like the first 7 people got them, and they sold out on everybody else, man. They had like size 7.5, 8, and like 9 and down pretty much left, but all of the big sizes, 1 per size, and they sold out, man. And I wasn't really expecting it. I pulled up like an hour before release and I seen like 5 people in line, so I decided just to stay up there, and I waited it out, ended up grabbing the size 11 that I needed, and it was a smooth release, a smooth pickup for me. It wasn't a lot of people in line, and everybody still didn't get a pair. So I mean, that tells you how limited this joint really was, man. But at the same time, man, the resale market isn't going crazy on these. I believe retail was $175 in Texas. That's like $190 out the door, and retail on these joints is like $200 across the board, maybe $220 in the big sizes. So nothing crazy as far as resale. You definitely can get these around retail price on the in-store and on the aftermarket, man. Nothing too crazy. Definitely wouldn't panic and buy these joints for $250. I wouldn't buy these joints off of StockX and Go just yet, because those fees are gonna add up. But just go around and check your local smaller stores. You should be able to grab these joints for retail, or check your local Facebook groups. You should be able to get them for right around retail, or maybe the $220 mark, but nothing too crazy. Now, as far as quality and quality control on this shoe, Jordan 2s always tend to have a pretty decent quality. The leather isn't crazy great on these. You're not getting like anything super duper premium. But with Jordan 2s, man, and with it coming from like that Italian background, this is the luxury model of Jordan brand. I know it's still a basketball shoe. It still was originally a performance shoe. But this joint definitely never has any like crazy flaws, and it always has pretty decent materials. Now, as far as flaws on these pairs, man, I didn't see anything crazy. Maybe like a little scuff right here on the inside. Right there on the leather, but nothing too crazy. This is a really small scuff, probably can be wiped off if anything. And then you see a little creasing on the toe box on the right shoe, and this is fresh out the store, man. I haven't tried these joints on or anything like that, but Jordan 2s just tend to crease. They just have that shape to where the toe box is kind of gonna crease regardless, before wear and especially during wear, man. The only 2s that I have left are the Mayer 2s, both Union 2s. I sold my Chicago 2s. They were a size 11, I think, or 10.5. They were too small. So those are the ones that I have now. When they release some more OG colorways, I'll definitely be grabbing. I've been trying to look for those off-white low 2s. I like those a lot. And in my opinion, 2s just look a lot better in lows. But as far as the highs, man, this is a really good one, man. It's a black shoe. If anyone knows, if anybody's been paying attention to the channel over the years, man, I'm a black shoe connoisseur. So this is just a good one to add to the collection, man. Really nice, good for like the back to school time, man. It's a black shoe, really durable Jordan 2, man. And if you're looking for something solid black, man, I think this is a good shoe for you. But overall, man, this about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Air Jordan 2 in the black cement colorway, man. Leave a comment down below, let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Did you cop these joints? If so, where from, which store, which boutique, which mom and pop were you able to grab these joints from? Are you feeling them? Are you looking to grab them, man? Just leave a comment down below. Let me know if it's a cop, a drop. Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Let me know, man. Show some love. Drop a comment down below. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the black cement Air Jordan 2, man. Peace.